this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles over there. And this is something from Zenpop. You go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Marutai, I believe it's a Hakata Tonkotsu. Yes. Very thin noodle on this one too. This one only takes 2 minutes. And that is saying a thing. So, what we're gonna do really? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we do that. We drop that in. Set a timer. 2 minutes. And watch it go. So that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna swizzle this a little bit. But yeah, you know, took the dog out. I take one of those pads that you see over there with me and throw it down to try to coax her into thinking, oh, it's okay to pee or poo here. And it's kind of worked and kind of not worked. It worked at first for me. It worked for my wife. For making the dog go to the bathroom outside, you know, not make my wife, you know, anyways. But yeah. So, but it's literally, we have a new baby. She's a puppy. So it's a baby. I keep like telling the kids, you know, like, no, really, she is a baby. She's a baby animal. She's a puppy. She doesn't know these things. They don't come with their firmware installed. There's no firmware. My brother's kind of lucky. He's got a golden retriever that's a seeing eye dog, guide dog, because he's very much more sight impaired than I am. But yeah, he's got this big one named Rocky, and he's like gentle giant, right? And but he went through the whole guide dog training class and all that stuff, and so I have a piece of chicken stuck in my tooth. Oh. Oh, anyways, he's got a dog, but his came pre-installed with how to be a guide dog. So it's like, I see. Yours was a pre-built, came with Windows. I see. Here's our flavor base. Flavor. Oh, we got liquidy liquid. This day's working out pretty well. It's 11:11 right now. And this is the second of 3 that I'm doing today. I already had a phone call with a Japanese TV deal. That should be fun. All right, let's look at this. So it's kind of got that milkiness going on. That's good. Definitely a thinner type of noodle. Not somen though, but a thin one. Cheers. There's our tonkotsu broth. Not the strongest broth in the world. Not bad. Oh my god, am I getting COVID? No, I think it's just the style of both of these are kind of on the lighter end of the stick. Like I said, that's okay. Did I use that one? I don't know. I want to use that one. No, not that one. Not that one. That one. There you go. That's actually one of the oldest bowls I have. I got it at a Daiso. That was $1. I've got another one in here that was $1. I think I have 3 in all that came from Daiso a long time ago. And nowadays, the stuff they have at Daiso, I'm just not as particularly fond of it, which bums me out. But good enough for me. Let us do what we do here on the big show, ladies and gentlemen. Instant noodle recipe time. The finest program regarding instant noodles ever. I surely do hope you agree. Push. Alright, what are we going to put on here? Probably do it about exactly the same way as the last one. My homemade chashu. That's good enough. Egg. I had 4 eggs and they all came out all right this morning. That does make me happy. Here's an odd fellow. Here, Mr. Egg. They'll look better tomorrow. They didn't spend too much time in the marinade. So there's that. We need some sprouting. Ooh, 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 ooh. I see activity by the animal. Go hang out, Pepper. Don't go out there and do things I wouldn't do on the floor. How you doing, Pepper? What are you doing, Pepper? Where'd you go? I may have to go chase down a dog and say no repeatedly. What you doing? Hi. There's my girl. Aw, you're sleepy. Yeah, I took you on a pretty good long walk, didn't I? Good girl. Don't worry, you'll get there. Little shichimi. Ah, that was close. Alright. Whoa there, America. that's about what you got for this one. There you go. Look at that. Smart Rotato. Hey. So the last two were varieties from Japan for the Japanese market. This one is from a company known in Japan with deep roots in Japan, but the U.S. part of them. This is Nissan Chow Mein with their teriyaki beef flavor. And the other day I did a teriyaki beef one as well by a competitor to Nissan. And I thought, well, I haven't reviewed this in a long time either. So these are both going to be new reviews, and you'll just have to see what I think. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.